indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, smart key, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2015 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.